Good day. Today we'll be resolving this issue. We couldn't find any drives to get. Pardon my focus. That's on my phone. We couldn't get find any drives to get a storage driver. Click load driver. Join me as we go about this. When you have such an encounter, obviously the driver cannot see your storage media. And this commonly happens with the M2s and the NVME. So join me as we resolve this. So what we'll do now, we'll see the generation of this the processor. For me, I know it's an 11 generation Core i5, but for the viewing sake, let me allow you see and how we'll go about it. You restart your system, you press the Windows key, go to your restart, and you do the shortcut to go into the BIOS settings. You hold down shift, just as I do, hold down the shift key while I click on the restart button. With my hands on the shift key, clicking on the restart button. So you just hold it for a minimum of 5 seconds, then you leave it. So while the system restarts, it will load up into the troubleshooting menu. So we'll go to troubleshoot, go to advanced, go to the UEFI firmware settings, then restart. You can also do this when you are starting up the system. You can also hold down F10 button. So while it's coming up, it goes into the BIOS setup. So we click on the F10. So now this takes us to our processor type. As it is written here, 11th generation Core TM i5, 11th generation. If you follow me through, you'll know why we need to know the processor type so we could get the right driver pack for it. So we have our system up now, and our bootable drive, I have you will download a software which I already have, and I will put it in the description box. Would install the Intel Rapid Storage Technology. The Intel Storage Technology, that driver itself help you to see your full driver. So that software helps you to install, it helps you to see your storage devices, your storage medias on your system. So just follow me through. As I said, I already have it installed here, and I'll put the link in my description box.
I like to carry load.
So this is the file itself. They have for the non-Intel and for the Intel. So we'll copy these files into our bootable device. And we'll go to our bootable device. So bootable stable device. So I'll just paste it there. You can use the Ctrl V shortcut to paste. You just go this route to paste it. So now we've done this, we'll restart the system and boot from our flash drive. So now we restart. So while we put on the system, we'll boot from the pen drive. My boot key is F9. So you put on the system while you have your finger on the F9. You can see my pen drive name. So click on that. So we are back to that same place. We do load driver. Pardon the focus of my. So now we have our media devices. So you can do whatever you want to do from here on. So like what I want to do now, I want to delete everything because the client requested for a clean format. So I will clean everything on this drive and start a fresh install. Thank you for joining me on this one.